So this is the very last component, the last little video snippet in this whole tutorial. And basically, we have our form set up exactly like how we want it. If it was a quiz, we set up all those options. We have the questions, we have our sections, we've set up our settings. We've chosen how we want to send this out. Now, we started to receive some responses, and I put some in here right away. The nice thing is you get to choose once you start to get some responses. This is in the form itself. You could choose individual or summary. Individual is going to drill down. If you're using this, you're an educator and you're using this as a formative assessment, you can see specifically just looking through here some more information. You could choose which response you want to look at. But let's say I just want some overall class data or some overall data of the responses I received. I look at some of the summary. I get my first names, my last names. But then I get some nice graphics about some of our multi responses, like the multiple choice or the linear scale. Here's the linear scale one. For my happy people, you get to see what they responded with. For my person that was blue, you got to see what their response was on there. It's a nice little quick snapshot to start to give you some of that visual examples of the data. Now, if you come in here, this is where you can really drill down. If you're using spreadsheets to receive some of the data, you can filter out the data. The nice thing for educators, if you're using this as a quiz, you can actually, once you set up all your options in here for quizzes and you assign point values to these, you can come in here and get an add-on, and one of the add-ons is called Flubberoo, and it'll actually grade these for you. You set up a template choice, so you put in all the correct answers here and you use that to grade for every other response that comes in. You set that up right before you send this out to the students. It's amazing because again, the reason we're doing this is to help save you time and effort to get rid of the papers, make it easier on you. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, all these little segments. I hope you got a new tool that you can play with and use. And in business, I hope you business workers got an idea of how you could even use this in the business environment. All right, so this is the first tool I'm going to do. I'm going to do more later. Thanks for joining the EdTech video series. I hope you tune in for more of them. All right, talk to you later.